Sajid Javid, the UK Health Secretary, has ruled out broad mandatory coronavirus vaccination in the UK, claiming that the government would never look at implementing it. His remarks come as thousands of people went to the streets throughout Europe to protest new coronavirus limitations enacted to combat rising infection rates. Austria has mandated the use of coronavirus vaccinations and declared a new shutdown. The national lockdown will begin on Monday and run for 10 days at first. Mr. Javid claimed on the BBC's Andrew Marr show on Sunday that the UK is blessed to have less vaccination hesitation than other nations. He said, "It is up to Austria, other countries, to decide what they need to do. We are fortunate that in this country, although we have vaccine hesitancy, it is a lot lower than we are seeing in other places." The UK government has made several U-turns when it comes to coronavirus laws and restrictions. Earlier this year, they ruled out any forms of mandatory vaccination in the UK, only to make a U-turn within months.
Sarah, I'll ask Chris and Andrew to comment on your really very important question about vaccination and the role of the state. And let's be clear, there will be no compulsory vaccination. That's not the way we do things in this country. We think it's a good idea, and I totally reject the propaganda of the anti-vaxxers. They're wrong. Vulnerable people, people who need a vaccine.
What I don't think we will have in this country is, as it were, vaccination passports to allow you to go to, say, the pub or something like that. I think that would be going it a bit. I think that
so there won't be a vaccine passport?
No, that's not being planned.
At all, ever?
Not
happening. Not happening, zipped and I don't know.
I certainly am not planning to introduce any vaccine passports, and I don't know anyone else in government.
We've looked at it properly, and whilst we should keep it in reserve as a potential option, I'm pleased to say that we will not be going ahead with plans for vaccine passports.
No, we're not. And there are several reasons why we're not doing that. One, vaccines are not mandated in this country, as Boris Johnson's quite rightly reminded Parliament. That's not how we do things in the UK. We do them by consent. We yet don't know what the impact of vaccines on transmission is, and it would be discriminatory.
I should serve notice now that by the end of September, when all over 18s will have had their chance to be double jabbed, we're planning to make full vaccination the condition of entry to nightclubs and other venues where large crowds gather. Proof of a negative test will no longer be enough.
Mr. Speaker, this week, after a successful trial, we have rolled out the NHS COVID pass. This allows people safely and securely to demonstrate their COVID status.
I have concluded that all those working in the NHS and social care will have to be vaccinated. We must avoid preventable harm and protect patients in the NHS, protect colleagues in the NHS, and, of course, protect the NHS itself.
Do you trust the UK Health Secretary not to make another U-turn? Please leave your comments below on what you think. Also, please like or dislike the video, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.